Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Today's video, I'll be roasting some succulent turkey wings. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. Turkey has become one of my favorite meats because of its versatility. You've seen me cook the leg, the thigh, and even the breast. Now today I'll be cooking the wing. Now you know turkey is a very dense meat and it takes a lot to get it flavorful. You have to cook it slowly, season it well, and in this case I'll be putting it into a brine. What the brine does is actually add moisture, soften the meat, and it actually absorbing flavor while it's doing so. If you want to see me do this, continue watching. Here in my pan I have some turkey wings and some little drumlets, well, big drumlets. And I'll be baking turkey wings today. But before, I'm going to rinse it with some vinegar. It is already clean. And I'm going to rinse with some cold water and vinegar. I'm going to make a simple brine, and to make this brine I'm going to use a small onion, some pimento berries. I've crushed it, and you know this is my salt. 60% of it is the salt and other seasonings, some pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and some peppercorn, whole peppercorn. Along with that I'm going to use some crushed ginger and garlic, some green seasoning, and a little jerk because I want a little pepper. And to add to it for rawness, an orange, a small orange. Now I'm going to add all of this to a bowl, everything. And to this, I'm going to add half cup of boiling water. What we want to do is extract the flavor from all these seasonings. To this, I'm going to add the crushed garlic and the ginger. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of green seasoning. Half a teaspoon of jerk, and this is optional, but if you like pepper you can add more. Now to this I'm going to add the orange juice. This gives it flavor and also cut down any rawness. You can cut the orange in slices and add it to the brine, but I like to use the juice. You may brine yours in the pan, but I'll be doing mine in a plastic Ziploc bag. Now, to release all the air from the bag. Lock it. Then we put it in our refrigerator to absorb all the flavors. Tomorrow we'll season again. Now it's the next day and I've taken the wing out of the fridge and left it on the countertop to get to room temperature. Now because the brine was not very salty, I don't need to wash it off. So I'm going to remove it from the brine and place it in our pan. Because I've added salt to the brine, I will not be adding salt to the dry seasoning. Now in my bowl I have half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of mixed herb, some paprika, half a teaspoon of sazon, some pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of jerk. Now you use what you want, use whatever seasoning you want, and I'm going to mix it, blend it together, and then sprinkle on our meat. Now we add a little oil to the pan to prevent it from sticking. Now we place our meat in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius, and we do it for 35 minutes first. We test, turn, and then do another 35 minutes. Here we go. After 35 minutes I gave it a turn, and now it's the final 35 minutes, and I'll be eating mine with rice, so I'm going to just add a little sauce and put it in for about 5 minutes. Now my sauce is basic. A little ketchup with a little soy sauce, some water, and that's it. Now I'm going to put it in for another 5 because I don't want it to burn. Now I'm going to place it in for 5 minutes, and I'm going to turn down the stove because I don't want it to burn, and allow that sauce to cook for 5 more minutes, and it will be done. Here we have it, guys. Yummy turkey wings. When you bite in, guys, it was so tasty because you could taste what the brine did. It was seasoned to the bone. It was soft and came off the bones easily. This was served with some vegetable brown rice and a salad. Guys, it was so delightful to have. Now, turkey is a very versatile meat, and I'd like you to try it, especially those who are saying, I hate turkey. And I know why. It's because of how I usually have it prepared. Now, when you take it and you season the way I did, trust me, you'll enjoy it. In fact, you'll think you're biting into chicken. This is how tender the meat was. Well seasoned, very flavorful. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.